Alright guys, the day has come. This will be my last time having the car all motor and starting it up, moving it around. I'm about to pull it in and start putting on the turbo stuff. So just wanted to take a little video to give you guys a heads up, and then also something I can look back on and remember. So over here I've got the turbo in the manifold, and I've got all the other parts and boxes under there and over here. So it's about time to, I'm going to center this up in the garage a little bit more, and then go ahead and get it lifted up on some jack stands and start getting it ready for all the turbo stuff. Check out my other videos if you want to know a little bit more about the engine build, but from this part forward I'll just be converting it over to a turboed car, and you guys can follow along for the journey. So obviously it's all motor right now, but I'm going to put all this turbo stuff on, upgrade and reroute some fuel lines, stuff like that. So anyways, let's get started for the last time all motor. So something I did here recently was put these gauges on over here. They're wired up right now, but I need to hook them up to this, the sensors that'll actually pull the readings. But I got a wideband up top, oil pressure here, and then boost gauge right there. So yeah, you can see right now those aren't reading accurately, but once I tear into everything with the turbo stuff, I'll get all those hooked up. Runs good. Yeah, I got the bike out here today. Had to make a little room to move the car. If you guys haven't seen it, it's a 2020 Harley Davidson Street Bob, and it's pretty fun. I got it exhaust on it, and I threw this front fairing on it right here. So other than that, yeah, it's pretty much stock. But today's not about that. Today's about getting the car started on going turbo. So keep an eye on the future videos and keep up with the build, guys. Alright, have a good day.